What a great day for a barbecue. I've got some beautiful Bickley Valley white asparagus, Swan Valley mushrooms, and my good mate Pete's brought me some of this fantastic rump cap, also known to the Brazilians as picanha. So now what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna char grill some of our steak, but we're not gonna do it the conventional way. We're gonna use this guy. This is a churrasco sword. You can get them at any good Brazilian butcher. We're gonna grab our nice sharp knife. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm just taking this little bit of sinew off here. So a lot of people would want to know where you could get the rump cap or picanha from. You can get it from any good butcher. So once that's done, we're going to turn it over. And now we're going to cut this into 4 even-sized steaks, okay? So we're going to go in half, and then in half again, and then in half. We grab our Brazilian churrasco sword, we take it and we fold it over like this. And we're going to spear it. The picanha, or the rump cap, has this beautiful piece of cap fat on the top here. And that's going to really caramelise up on our barbecue. Meat, especially beef, loves salt. So we're going to be quite generous with the salt on here. Make sure you do the fat side as well, okay? And then all we're going to do is we're going to put it straight onto the barbecue. Make sure your barbecue's on high. We're going to cook that for about 5 or 6 minutes either side. Then we're going to take it off and we're going to rest it. In the meantime, let's get this white asparagus prepped. Now, as you would see, it's quite crunchy. And we're just going to, with your potato peeler, give it a slight peel, because this can be quite fibrous, all right? Set it off to the side. Now we're going to prep our Swan Valley mushrooms. All we need to do is just in segments, tear them off like this. We're going to pop those off to the side. Now our churrasco style picanha has been cooking on both sides. We've rendered some of the fat down from the cap. All we're going to do is we're going to take it off and we're going to let it sit over here for about 5 to 8 minutes to rest. So we've got our asparagus here. Just a little bit of olive oil on there, not much. We're just trying to coat it a little bit. So our asparagus can go on. Give it a nice little turn. We're getting these beautiful little bar marks here. White asparagus is high in folate, high in fibre, and a great source of vitamin C. Now our mushrooms, we're going to start with some butter and then a little bit of garlic. Not too much. All right, got our pan with our mushrooms. All right, so now we're starting to get some good heat into our mushrooms. We'll give them a little turn. Now I'm going to add my garlic. So that's there ready to go. We're going to take our asparagus off the grill. We're going to grab a lemon and we're just going to put a nice squeeze of lemon over our asparagus. Let's chop a little bit of parsley. Okay, just a light sprinkle. And then a good season with some flake salt. Now, we're ready to serve. Beautiful. Nice little stack of mushrooms over here. Don't be too shy. This is all good flavour here. Then we're going to put our asparagus on. And then we're going to finish that with our beef. A little secret ingredient is I've got a little bit of chimichurri here. Now this is going to provide a little bit of herbaceous, acidic flavour to really cut through any of that fat that's on that beef, and it's going to really bring the dish alive. We're going to finish it off, just a little bit of a garnish. I've got some little micro herbs just here. So here we go, lovely grass-fed picanha, white asparagus from Bickley Valley Asparagus, and pan-fried mushrooms from Swan Valley Mushrooms. Delicious.